Kagay nyo naman makakapay.
Mas mabili mga bata nakaupo doon para marami siyang gift.
May kasama sila, no? Oo. Ayan, upo kayo dun mga bata sa baba.
O, sa baba na kayo.
Upo kayo dun.
Dali na kakain na kayo.
Ayan.
Dali. O, Liana, tingnan mo.
Ayan na.
Ang galing na mga, ano mo, bisita mo.
Baby, hello. Sila naman. Alis ka dyan.
Ito na. Tapos kakain na kayo mga anak. Very good. Happy birthday to you.
O, mga bata naman.
Sige, manong pwesto na
Mga
kayo.
bata pwesto, picture.
Papakain ko yan.
Wala na sana ba? Kain mo. Wala na yung food. Palit mo na tayong diaper naman. Wala, may ride mo doon naman.
Pastor! Ayan na, Pastor. Pastor, thank you. Wow, thank you. Pastor, tuloy po kayo. Pastor, thank you so much po. Pastor,
Sino yung nanagyan ng pangalan niyan? Kaya anak, pwede lang ang gawin yan.
Pastor, yung po natin malaki na, oh. Pastor! Pastor, malaki na po natin.
Mahilig sa sayaw.
Sana magkala ka kayo.
Si Pastor. Dito ka.
Sana wag
Pastor,
kayo
dito.
mag-end.
Dito lang kayo.
Para nautusan na.
Pastor, dito po kayo. Makapagod kayo.
Mabring mo na yan.
Sige. Sige, patay muna natin yan si Pastor. Dito.
Okay lang.
Bless.
Kaya mo naman kaya.
Sumasayaw pa yung alaga natin eh.
Kaya mo na.
Pinag-enjoy natin.
Mhm.
Talaga, lakas ang mga aircon na inisan tas Pastor.
Hindi.
Sino na ba pumutok? Sabayan mo sa dali. Sabayan mo sa inyo. Yun na. Yun na. Para may anak. Yun na.
Sabay dyan.
Ana. Pero madali na ako daw.
Gagaling pala na ito eh. Mga dancer na pala.
Mga apo ko yan eh. O, diba?
Ayan na, yan na. May nagdadance on na
Galing nito mabatat. Nakakatuwa.
Ikaw sumayaw ka kaya?
Ay, belo.
Pastor, oh.
May kapay mo ba ito? Wala yung reason.
Sabayan niyo kasi niya, anak. Gusto niyo ba yung sumasayaw? Dalawa ba? Para kay Liana.
Kami nagkabit niyan.
Happy birthday, Aliana! Share kayo
Ang ganda.
Ganda na.
Talaga ang bisita lang niya talaga si Audrey.
Okay, Aliana. Blow. One more. Yay!
Ha?
Take a picture for that. Yan, look at mommy. Ayan, look at mommy, please.
Let's
Just
go.
like this, oh.
Let's go.
Come on, anak, come on. We have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Surprising place.
Yeah.
Yeah, come here.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Asan na?
Come here.
Oh, go there, oh.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close
Come
your
here, come here.
eyes. Go.
Walk.
Walk, walk, walk.
Walking, walking. And then,
Harap kay mami. Harap kay mami. Harap kay mami.
We have a present for you. Eliana. Happy birthday!
Hello!
Let me see.
Open it, open it. Open it. Unboxing. Unboxing.
Hawakan naman yung ano mo. Happy birthday, anak!
Here, oh. Dito, oh. Dito. Come on, put it here.
Open it.
Okay.
I cannot understand.
You cannot
You can do
understand.
it.
Okay.
You can do it.
Who's that?
Open it, open.
She's a girl.
Yeah.
She's a boy.
No.
Hello.
Hala.
Hala, happy birthday!
She's
Wow! Wow, go! Wow! Wow!
she's a girl.
What will you say to mommy and daddy?
You open it.
A picture muna. Mag-smile ka muna here. Here.
Picture.
Your picture with your glow pixie. Daddy muna.
Daddy, look at daddy. Smile. Yan na. Look at daddy. Last na. Last na. Look at daddy. Eliana. Good. Smile.
Ito na yung mga baby alive mo. Ang daming ganun, no? Tayo na.
Stand up na.
Naman, stand up. Pakita mo yung gamit mo na. Look at mommy, Iana. Like Elsa. Let it go. Let it go. Hold it back. Good job. Wow.
Ganda naman ng smile.
Very good. Balikan naman natin damit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. to you. Happy birthday.